So guys, as you know that the Samsung Galaxy S10 is on the road since quite time now, giving the fact that it's almost close to a year since the Samsung Galaxy S9's releases, and Samsung is yet to drop a flagship with the latest trending features in the industry. Like the Samsung Galaxy S10 will feature an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, a punch hole style cutout in place of a ugly notch, and 3 cameras. Yeah, 3 cameras. But today a Samsung Galaxy S10 5G prototype was spotted in the wild as /leaks reports. So yeah, this video claims that the device in the video is a prototype of Samsung's upcoming anticipated flagship, the Galaxy S10. While leaks these should always taken with a grain of salt, there are a number of reasons this could actually be the Samsung Galaxy S10. So first of all, we can see that there is a cutout in the top right corner of the device, which is basically the camera cutout present in Samsung's Infinity O displays. There is a catch to it, though Samsung has earlier showcased that the Infinity O displays will have a cutout on the top left corner of the device, giving that this is a prototype. The final device might be completely different. So the second thing is that Ice Universe tweets that the prototype is a 5G variant. The Galaxy S10 is the only 5G device rumored. So the fact that the prototype has a really thick bezels raises a question over the claim's authenticity though. But again, this is still a prototype and it might not resemble the final design of the device. As you know that the Ice Universe is known for authentic leaks, so there might be some truth to all this. So yeah, this guy is holding the Samsung Galaxy S10's 5G variant in the hands. And guys, one thing more, today Ice Universe said that the larger Galaxy S10 Plus will require a slightly more unique cutout on the right left corner. So, if previous leaks are accurate, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus will make its debut next year with 2 selfie cameras. The first will be a regular sensor, while the second will sport wide-angle shots. Naturally, this means that one camera will be bigger than the other. Different sized cutouts would be required. Because of this, and in the hope of maintaining a cleaner design, Samsung is said to be using a pill-shaped hole on the display of the Galaxy S10 Plus, which will incorporate both front-facing cameras. So aside from different cutout and 2 selfie cameras, the S10 Plus differences are rumored to include the presence of a triple camera setup on the rear side. Furthermore, it claims that the device will arrive with a larger 4000 mAh of battery and a very impressive 93.4 screen to body ratio. Furthermore, Android 9 Pie complete with Samsung's new One UI overlay should come pre-installed straight out of the box of the Galaxy S10 series. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.